Planning a move from Mississauga, Ontario to White Rock, British Columbia? This is a big cross-country move, so it takes more planning than a short local relocation. Your belongings may travel roughly 4,300 kilometers across Canada, which means timing, packing, and choosing experienced long-distance movers all matter. The average cost to move from Mississauga to White Rock can vary depending on the size of your home and the services you need. Three Movers lists general estimates from about $3,000 to $6,000 for a standard two-bedroom household, while larger or more complex long-distance moves may range from $4,500 to $9,500. Your final moving quote depends on more than the distance. Movers will look at your shipment size, total weight, home size, number of movers, packing materials, and how easy it is to load and unload. Things like stairs, elevator reservations, long carry distances, large furniture, safes, pianos, or fragile items can also affect the total price. For a Mississauga to White Rock move, delivery usually takes around 7 to 14 days, from pickup to arrival. That timeline can change depending on truck routing, shipment size, weather conditions through the Rockies, and whether your belongings are moving on a dedicated truck or a consolidated long-distance shipment. When your belongings are traveling across Canada, packing becomes a major part of protecting your move. Professional movers can provide full packing, partial packing, or fragile-only packing for items like glassware, electronics, artwork, kitchenware, mirrors, and large TVs. Reinforced boxes, furniture pads, and shrink wrap can help reduce damage during transport. Sometimes, your move-out date in Mississauga and your move-in date in White Rock do not line up perfectly. Moving and storage services can help if your new home is not ready yet, your building has limited delivery times, or you simply need a little extra flexibility before final delivery. If you're relocating a business from Mississauga to White Rock, commercial movers can help keep the process organized. Office movers can handle desks, chairs, documents, electronics, and equipment, while helping reduce downtime, so your business can get settled faster in the new location. For a move this far, don't choose a company based only on the lowest quote. Look for movers that are insured, experienced with cross-Canada relocations, clear about delivery windows, and upfront about pricing. A reliable mover should explain your estimate, confirm services, and help you understand what is included before moving day. To make the move easier, start by creating a clear inventory of what you're taking with you. This helps the mover estimate your shipment more accurately. Before pickup, separate essentials you'll need during the 7 to 14-day delivery window, confirm parking or elevator access, and label boxes by room so unloading in White Rock is faster and more organized. Moving from Mississauga to White Rock is a major relocation, but the right moving team can make it feel organized and manageable. For affordable Mississauga to White Rock movers, visit 3movers.com today and request a free moving quote.